In this video, you will be learning how to find archive posts on Facebook. Before we go straight into it, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Now let's go straight into it. Now you need to head straight for your Facebook app. Click on your profile picture and it brings you here. You click on where it says activity log. On this interface, you find archive, recycle bin, and activity history. So you want to do the archive option. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any, okay? But if you have archives, this is where it will be. You find it here and you just get to adjust it. All right, all of your post archives will be here if you have any, and basically you can arrange, delete, or make adjustments. So this is how it works. Find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Bye for now.